Hello, Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sastrikal. Welcome back to another session with your Wow Chef at Vareva.com. Today I am going to make a halwa that is related between Karachi and Mumbai. That is Karachi halwa, or you can call Mumbai halwa. I don't know, the Mumbai has changed the name from Bombay. So whether you can call it Bombay halwa or Mumbai halwa, it's up to you. In this recipe, the quantities are very important. So what you need to do is take 200 grams of sugar, add 100-125 ml of water. Do not worry about the consistency of the sugar syrup, just add 1 teaspoon of lime juice into it, and then make sure that all the sugar is dissolved well. The reason why we add lime juice to the sugar syrup is we don't want the sugar syrup to crystallize back. So when we add this acid to sugar syrup, it will not crystallize back. You can also add few crystals of citric acid to this instead of lime juice. Many years ago, I mean 10-15 years ago, whenever we boil sugar, we always used to clarify by adding little milk, because there used to be a lot of dirt in sugar. But now we get real good sugar, you don't need to clarify. But if your sugar syrup is not clean, you can add few drops of milk and that will remove any dirt that is there in the sugar syrup. Now this sugar syrup is come to a boiling point, just remove it off from the flame and we are going to add into the halwa. For this recipe, make sure that you measure the quantity of corn flour. Here I have taken 50 grams of corn flour for 200 grams of sugar. Add 100 ml of water and mix it up. Half a teaspoon of ghee into this non-stick pan. Do not switch on the flame here yet. Take this corn flour mixture, add to this. Now switch on the flame. Put the flame very low and then mix it up. Now this mixture is slightly getting thickened. Just switch off the flame and mix this. Okay, and slowly add the sugar syrup, little by little. Okay. Remember, the sugar syrup is hot, that's why I switched off the flame, and slowly incorporate the sugar syrup into this. Do not add all the syrup at one time, just add little by little. If you add entire sugar syrup, it's going to form lumps and it will be difficult for you to make it. And also remember that the flame is switched off. If you notice that no lumps have formed and this mixture is nicely mixing up along with this corn flour. Now switch on the flame and then keep mixing the same way you did it before. But now instead of adding sugar syrup, we are going to add ghee. Add little by little and then just incorporate into this mixture. 1 more teaspoon of ghee. Now incorporate the entire ghee into this, around 100 grams of it. Okay. And keep stirring it. Mind you, when you add this ghee, keep it at a low flame and slowly increase the flame once this entire ghee is dissolved in this. If you want, you can add little bit of color, the color of your choice, lightly yellow I am going to add. You can add a pinch of ilachi powder. Ilachi is cardamom. Now you can see this mixture, it's thick and it's becoming transparent like jelly, and I think this is almost ready. Add a little bit of this mixture onto a plate. You will be able to remove this off as if it's a small jelly. Now this mixture is all ready and it's nice transparent like a jelly. Add broken cashew nut to this and mix it up and switch off the flame and pour this mixture into a plate. And this mixture is all ready. We are going to set it for 1 hour, after which we are going to cut it. After setting it for 1 hour or so, let it cool down. That's when you can nicely cut it into cubes, and that's when you have your Bombay Karachi halwa ready. The more you cook, the more elastic it becomes. So cook it to the consistency you like. There are couple of other ways they make this halwa. You can also use atta, knead the dough, and you can make this halwa too. And also I know people use suji also to make this halwa, but Vashef is always trying to simplify the process so you can make those complicated dishes at home in a very simple way. I am very sure that many of you are going to try in the next few hours after posting this video. That is what inspires me to do more and more videos. I also know that Som Papdi is in the list. It's going to come pretty soon. Dear friends, I hope you have enjoyed today's session of learning how to make this Karachi and Bombay halwa with your Vashef at Vareva.com. But remember, Vareva is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips at Vareva.com so others can benefit from your great cooking. Thank you.